Hi guys, it's Eliana. Today we're going to teach you how to make a paper hat, like a pirate hat. First, you can use any construction paper or regular paper. I'll show you how. Make sure you put this paper into this side. So you fold it. Then do it again. You fold it again. The last time I was making so much, I only made 3 right now, and they couldn't stop because they were so excited. Now make sure this side, like when you open like this, like when you open it, it's at the bottom. See? Then you do this top above it, you fold it over here. Doesn't matter if it has to be even. Doesn't matter if it's even or doesn't matter if it's even or awkward. So I told you to put it down because you're gonna put this over here. Same for the other side. And once you finish, you hold it. See guys, you hold it, put it in, then you just need to see that happens sometimes? Because you struggled. You put too much pressure. You open these and you put them. You just had to do this. Only if your paper's strong enough to. Like that. And just had to open it again, and that's how you make it pie hat. See you guys later!